Hi, I'm Red. Welcome to the scrapyard. Um, I want to uh, give you an example of how I get distracted. I fully intended to have flat out finished and ready for discussion today, and well, that didn't happen because I got to mess around with the little parts pack frame. Let me show you what I'm doing. Let's see. Ooh, that light's bad. Need more light, less light. Yeah, it'll work, I guess. All right. This is the little parts pack frame. Uh, 9 pieces in that right there. I mean, this thing is a little jewel, right? All right. So I put it together because I was going to show y'all, and I got to looking at it. Um, and I said, well, hell, I ought to just go ahead and build that. So I looked around trying to find a body. And first I had this body, but I don't know what it's painted with, but it will not come off. I couldn't find this body. So I pulled this out and was going to rob the body out of it, the body in the truck bed. I mean, parts and parts, man. And I'm sure I give less than $20 for this. You know, it's a complete kit, by the way. Even decals is in there. I mean, but um, but anyway, I did manage to find a later white plastic body. Um, it reworked the floorboard because they had a wood texture, and I kind of want aluminum floor pan in mine. But that's a parts pack rear. Um, that's probably what one I use under it. It's wide enough to clear it. I have another one of the narrowed up T bodies, man, the AMT T altered body. Um, there's a partial tree, dragster suspension tree. Might have to open for Moon Eyes to find the parts I need, but that's the suspension I'll be using to come off of that. I haven't decided if I want to use the the 427 Ford motor, no parts pack motor, or the early Hemi out of this Scorpion. Now, I am going to use the tires and wheels out of this because I like these. I'm going to use those wheels, but see, this has got I think I used a 421 in it, something already. It had a Pontiac engine in there with it. I used it for something else, and it's got the race prep Hemi minute come in, and because you got to remember that's originally the Miss Deal kit. It's a early funny car, but I've always been partial to this 427. Man, it's you know really good. But I like this engine out of this Scorpion because it's got the chain drive blower with the guard on it. I don't know. I make up my mind, but this one's going to be yeah. I mean, yep. I need one to go with this one. I've got to get on the ball and finish this one up, man. It's within spitting distance of being finished. Just got to add the fuel system and the fuel tank, all that kind of good stuff. But oh, and the yeah, use a steering wheel and the lever for the in-out box. Oh, thought I had it in picture better, had it in frame better than that. But yeah, I figured I needed a because this is the Roadster. Figured I needed a pickup to go with it, right? I have another one of these bodies, but I don't want to build it yet, man. It's the Cal Custom body with the wheel well openings in it. Let's see what else. I really haven't gotten anything done. I've been doing little paintings and stuff. Spring purchase and spindles. We'll do another box. Quick change rear end with 2 axle options and 2 rear cover options. I don't know. Do something with it. You never have enough quick change rear ends, right? But anyway, that's about it. And I haven't really gotten anything done. I've been trying to get organized. I mean, I got all this crap, man. It's just boxes and boxes of it. Now I don't know where anything's at. Um, but but yeah, like I said, I got a little sidetracked on this, and yeah, it's going to be pretty cool. The AMT body don't quite fit exactly right, but it's no big deal. I can make it fit because I want that body rate going. Because it's thin out the edge of the body there at the cowl a little bit. It's not that big a deal. Yeah, like that. Well, I had the black body sitting on there right. Anyway, you get the idea. It'll sit like that and kind of high up in the back. The yeah, the pickup bed is barely long enough to make tech, and it says 36 inches, and this is like 29. It's a little bit short, man, but I guess you can measure it differently. Uh, but anyway, that's me. Um, this is going to be a parts box build. I mean, just 100%. Um, I mean, well, what else could it be? I mean, parts pack. Starting with a parts pack. I think that's a rear ends out of one of them dragster rear ends. I hardly ever see a banjo. Um, that's it for now. I'll try to have something up later in the week. Um, don't worry, guys. I'll get flat out finished before the end of the week. I promise. I want to get these little altars finished. I ought to kick myself in the ass for starting another one, but these little altars finished, meaning get them in the cabinet. Uh, anyway, like, subscribe, share, hit the notification button. Um, let's see. That's good angle. But yeah, that's about it for me. I have been up to absolutely nothing. I've done a little printing, man, but I've had well, I got a neighbor that's kind of like Kramer off of Seinfeld, man. He's in and out all the time. The Anyway, it keeps me busy. All right. Well, y'all have a good Wednesday, and we'll see you in a day or so. Bye.